Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to replace engine oil and oil filter for TVS Apache RTR. This video contains draining of the engine oil, then removing and replacing the oil filter and replenish it with new oil. First we have to drain the oil. For that we have to go down below the engine scoop and then we have to open this drain bolt. This is the main drain bolt. Just opening this drain bolt will drain the engine oil. In my engine this drain bolt is damaged, so I am going to open the other three bolts, but that is not necessary if you are able to open the main center drain bolt. Just opening the drain bolt will just open the drain bolt and then the oil will get drained. Now the oil is draining. That's it. Now we have to remove the old oil filter. For that you have to go to the right hand side of the engine, then open these three bolts. That's it. Open these three bolts and take out the cover. Then this is the old oil filter. Just check for any metal particles in the filter. If there is no metal particles, then there is no worn out in the engine. Now this filter looks clean. Okay. We are going to replace it with new filter. This is the new spare filter. Take out that filter and insert it. Clean the face part of the housing and the cover, face part of the cover also. Be careful for the o-ring also. The o-ring should not be damaged. Just clean it and then keep it in place. Put the bolts and tighten it evenly. Tighten all the three bolts evenly. Now the engine oil filter has been replaced. Now I am tightening the bottom drain bolt. The removed bottom drain bolt has been tightened. Take out the engine oil filler cap. Pour the new oil. This Apache RTR we have to fill 1 liter of oil. Yeah, now the oil has been topped up. Just check the level of the oil using this